Hi, welcome to ASE Table Talk. I'm Dr. Kevin Linfield. Today we're in the field where we're going to be showing the 3D AS and fan performance testing. With me today, Matt Gentry, Senior Engineer, Airflow Sciences. So Matt, what are we talking about today?
Kevin, we're going to talk about the 3D AS today, which is designed by Airflow Sciences to perform testing according to EPA methods 2 and 2F. Today we've got a Prism Head 3D probe, so we're going to be testing according to method 2F. This has a faceted probe head and allows you to measure the angularity of the flow field. So we like using this probe and this equipment for fan performance testing. It allows us to get a very accurate flow measurement for complicated ducts or with changing ducts upstream.
So in addition to the 3D Prism Head probe, we also do fan performance testing with other types of probes?
Sure, you could use an S-type pitot probe, would be very common for industrial type testing. For a lab fan flow, you could use a standard pitot, would also work.
Would you be able to give us a demonstration of doing a fan performance test here at the facility?
Sure. Start by inserting the probe fully into the duct. You'll hit the back wall with the probe and pull it out to the first traverse point. At that point, you can start nulling the probe. As you review your data, make sure that your P2 minus P3 null pressure is low enough to ensure the probe has been aligned properly. At that point, you can review the velocities and temperatures at each traverse point. Once you have completed that, remove the probe and move on to the next test port.
Well, Matt, thank you very much for the demonstration. That didn't look too bad at all, and I know it's much more accurate than using the old handheld method. I'm Dr. Kevin Linfield, and this has been ASE Table Talk.